So in traditional publishing, the money goes to the author. You may or may not be offered in advance. For example, in small presses, they often don't offer in advance. And the publisher takes on all the costs: editing, proofreading, formatting, releasing your book in ebook, print, and often audio versions. For these main publishing houses, you cannot approach them without an agent. They're just not going to look at your stuff. So they only accept agented submissions, but smaller presses often will accept manuscripts for review directly, and that can be a great option. However, all of these things have their challenges. First of all, it's very difficult to get an agent and even more difficult to get a contract. And second, even if you have an advance, many writers don't earn out to get the royalties. If you're looking at small presses, again, some of these are very stable and have been around for a while, and others are small businesses, and small businesses sometimes fail. So you want to really do due diligence and really look carefully at anyone you're working with editors, with publishers. You really want to know all about them.